Welcome everyone to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you all here with us today. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, you're in for an exciting treat. Today, we have a special countdown lined up for you. We'll be showcasing the top-selling radiator conditioners and protectants available on Amazon. These products are the best of the best, trusted by countless customers to keep their vehicles running smoothly and efficiently. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover some incredible products that could make a real difference in your vehicle's performance. Without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the best-selling radiator conditioners and protectants on Amazon. Let's go! Let's dive right into number 5 on our list of the best-selling radiator conditioners and protectants on Amazon. Presenting the Radiator Radiator Stop Leak Tablets, 1.76 ounces, pack of 7. Imagine you're on a long drive, the road stretching endlessly before you. Suddenly, your car starts to overheat, steam billowing from the hood. Panic sets in. But wait, you remember you've got Radiator Stop Leak tablets in your glove compartment? These aren't just any tablets. This is a professional strength formula designed to inhibit the formation of rust and scale. Not only that, but it also neutralizes pH imbalances, controls electrolysis, and most importantly, it seals internal, external, and coolant to oil leaks. It's a veritable Swiss Army knife for your radiator. What's more, these tablets come with the endorsement of OEM auto and truck manufacturers around the world. That's right. The same tablets trusted by professionals are right at your fingertips. Every 15,000 miles or once a year, simply add these tablets to your cooling system for continued protection. It's like giving your radiator a much-needed spa treatment. And here's the kicker. These tablets work with all types and colors of antifreeze or water, be it conventional, extended life, waterless, or straight water. Versatility at its finest. The Radiator Stop Leak tablets are not just a product, they're peace of mind. They ensure your journey is smooth, uninterrupted, and stress-free. So why wait? Add the Radiator Stop Leak tablets to your car maintenance routine today and drive with confidence. Rolling into number 4 on our countdown of the top 5 best-selling radiator conditioners and protectants on Amazon, we have an absolute powerhouse for your engine, the Valvoline Professional Series Water Pump Lube and Protectant in a generous 14.5-ounce bottle. Think about your vehicle's cooling system. It's the unsung hero under the hood, tirelessly working to keep your engine running smoothly. And right at the heart of this system, the water pump. That's where the Valvoline Professional Series steps in. This isn't just a product, it's a guardian, a protector, a crucial ally in your car's longevity. What sets this formula apart? For starters, it's compatible with all antifreeze and coolant chemistries. That's right. No matter what type of coolant you're using, Valvoline's got your back. Its versatility is unmatched. Now let's talk protection. This product doesn't just coat, it fortifies. It helps shield every metal component within your cooling system from the harsh effects of rust and corrosion. The patented formula is loaded with powerful inhibitors, forming a protective barrier that ensures your engine's innards remain pristine and efficient. But there's more added water pump protection. The water pump is the lifeblood of your cooling system, and Valvoline's Professional Series goes the extra mile to ensure it stays lubricated, functional, and free from wear and tear. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that every spin, every cycle, is happening smoothly, efficiently, without a hitch. Rust, corrosion, inefficiency, all formidable foes, yet all rendered powerless with the Valvoline Professional Series Water Pump, Lube, and Protectant. It's not just a maintenance step. It's a vow to keep your engine running at its best, to keep your journey seamless and your drives worry-free. So, if you're looking for top-tier protection and unparalleled performance, this Valvoline Professional Series product is your go-to. Elevate your vehicle care routine and let your engine breathe easy, knowing it's guarded by the best in the business. Sliding into the coveted number 3 spot in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling radiator conditioners and protectants on Amazon, we present the BG Universal Cooling System Cleaner. Picture this. Your car's cooling system is a labyrinth of passages and conduits, relentlessly battling heat and wear. Over time, it can become a breeding ground for contaminants and sludge. That's where BG Universal Cooling System Cleaner steps in, like a knight in shining armor, ready to cleanse and rejuvenate your vehicle's lifeblood. With an impressive pH level of 9.8, this cleaner is finely balanced to tackle the toughest grime without harming your engine's delicate internals. It sports a striking green hue, a visual testament to its potency. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a meticulous blend of science and precision. We dive deeper. Specific gravity, 1.063. Density, 8.871 pounds per gallon. These aren't just numbers. They're the backbone of a formula that's engineered to perform. These figures translate into a cleaner that flows with just the right viscosity, ensuring every nook and cranny of your cooling system is reached, scrubbed, and purified. Even the freezing point is noteworthy, 11 degrees Celsius or 12 degrees Fahrenheit. In other words, this cleaner is resilient, effective in a range of temperatures, never backing down from the challenge, no matter the climate. The BG Universal Cooling System Cleaner is more than just a maintenance tool. It's a revival potion for your cooling system. It strips away rust, scale, and all manner of deposits, leaving behind a pristine pathway for your coolant to flow. This results in improved efficiency, better temperature regulation, and ultimately, a longer lifespan for your engine. So whether you're prepping for the scorching summer or bracing for the freezing winter, this cleaner ensures your cooling system is always operating at peak performance. It's not just about cleaning, it's about restoring the heartbeat of your vehicle's engine. Choose BG Universal Cooling System Cleaner and witness the transformation. Your engine will thank you. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling radiator conditioners and protectants on Amazon? Well, don't let your engine overheat. Subscribe and hit that bell icon to keep your cooling system running smoothly, and never miss a drop of our content. Now, let's unveil the remarkable number 2 in our top 5 best-selling radiator conditioners and protectants on Amazon. Here it is, the Bars Leak's 1196 Radiator Stop Leak, 11 ounces, gray. Imagine cruising down the highway, your engine humming smoothly, when suddenly, a minor coolant leak threatens to disrupt your journey. Enter Bars Leak's 1196 Radiator Stop Leak. This isn't just a stopgap solution. It's a meticulously engineered formula designed to halt minor cooling system leaks and drips, a true savior for aging cooling systems. Let's break it down. This powerful product excels at sealing leaks in radiators, gaskets, heater cores, and even freeze plugs. Whether you drive a robust 6 or 8-cylinder passenger vehicle or a light truck, one bottle is all you need to treat a regular-sized cooling system. If you've got a nimble 4-cylinder engine, just half a bottle does the trick. Efficiency at its best. But the magic doesn't stop there. This formula is versatile, working flawlessly with all types and colors of antifreeze coolant and water. Yellow, orange, pink, red, blue, purple, green. Whether it's silicate-based, non-silicate-based, oat, or a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and water, Bars Leak's 1196 blends seamlessly, ensuring comprehensive protection across the board. Visualize it. 11 ounces. Bottle treating up to 4 gallons of coolant, weaving through your cooling system, sealing every minor leak with precision. It's like having a guardian constantly watching over your engine, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. Bars Leaks. 1196 isn't just a product, it's a promise. A promise of reliability, durability, and peace of mind. It stops and seals coolant leaks, safeguarding your engine from the inside out. So, next time a minor leak tries to rain on your parade, remember Bars Leak's 1196. It's not just about stopping leaks, it's about ensuring your ride remains uninterrupted, smooth, and worry-free. Drive with confidence. Choose Bars Leak's 1196 Radiator. Stop leak and let every journey be a testament to reliability and excellence. And now, we've reached the pinnacle, the creme de la creme of our top 5 best-selling radiator conditioners and protectants on Amazon. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the number 1 product, Prestone AS105 Radiator Flush and Cleaner, 22 ounces, 2-pack. Picture this, your car's radiator, the heart of your cooling system, constantly battling the onslaught of debris, rust, and scale. Over time, it's inevitable that these contaminants accumulate, hindering performance, reducing efficiency. Enter the Prestone AS105 Radiator Flush and Cleaner, a dual-pack powerhouse that's here to revolutionize your engine's health. Imagine the transformation. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a revitalizer. Prestone's potent formula penetrates deep, breaking down and flushing out years of built-up deposits. rust, grease, scale, all obliterated, leaving your radiator sparkling clean and operating at peak efficiency. But that's not all. This product doesn't merely clean, it preps your system for greatness. By thoroughly flushing out contaminants, it sets the stage for your coolant to flow unobstructed, ensuring optimal heat transfer and superior engine protection. Each bottle contains 22 ounces of this liquid marvel, enough to treat your entire cooling system comprehensively. And with this 2-pack, you're doubly equipped to tackle even the most stubborn buildup. It's the equivalent of a deep cleanse and a revitalizing tonic for your radiator, all rolled into one. Prestone AS105 works with all types of antifreeze, making it incredibly versatile. No need to worry about compatibility. This flush and cleaner blend seamlessly, ensuring your cooling system remains pristine regardless of the coolant type. Now let's talk performance. Regular maintenance with Prestone AS105 means fewer breakdowns, less overheating, and a longer lifespan for your engine. It's not just about maintenance, it's about safeguarding your investment, ensuring every drive is smooth, efficient, and worry-free. Visualize your radiator, free from rust and scale, coolant flowing effortlessly, your engine purring contentedly. That's the power of Prestone AS105 Radiator Flush and Cleaner. So, for those who demand the best for their vehicles, Prestone AS105 Radiator Flush and Cleaner, 22 ounces. 2-pack is your ultimate solution. Unleash the full potential of your cooling system, experience the pinnacle of engine protection, and drive with unparalleled confidence. Choose Prestone. Choose excellence. Drive on. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling radiator conditioners and protectants on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.